Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today on the agenda, push all this and clean up the wood yard. I'm trying to get where I can have a extra parking right here. So I got a guy with an excavator or a bulldozer. He's here and he's gonna push all this up all the way to the other end to there's a pond, and we're gonna try to level it out, because when winter gets here all this stays really wet. So today on the agenda, that's what we're gonna try to do. And I gotta break off and go get the guys set up to cut a tree, and there he is right there. This is a Cat 953D right here. I'm gonna try to clean this mess up, man. That job I was just telling you about. We dropped this tree yesterday up against the house. I'll show you a little video of it. The story is a guy hit by lightning and it ran into the house and it messed the air conditioner up, and it ran around it and it actually caught the house on fire. And the lady woke up at 3 o'clock in the morning and saw it, and luckily if they hadn't have been home, this house would have burnt down. So I called my buddy Charles right there. He's coming after, hey, this is number 2, second load of the day on this big red oak. So he's getting some of the smaller woods. It's real easy to get to, and I'll get the big chunks and I'll take them down here. The homeowner just said dump them down in the edge of the woods, and then I could dump the chips. So oh my goodness, I brought the trailer. I was thinking I was going to have to haul all this off, and he just saved me a bunch.
Come on, Char. I don't want that. Is there no way? I don't want no. ¿Qué no leño quiere?
This is where you got to be careful when you're doing something like this. See, there's a hole right there. He can flip it. There's so much weight on the front, but just the bucket alone is heavy. I blew a motor up on that skid steer right there because of doing the exact same thing. I went to dump a log over into a pond, and it didn't let go fast enough. And when it didn't, the log tilted over. I tilted it over, and anyway, the oil got stuck on top of the piston and blew the motor up. So I had to rebuild it. It cost me right at $10,000. No, I'm sorry, $4,000 at the time to rebuild it. All right, guys, we're getting it cleared off. They're bringing in dirt and knocking it out. It's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and we're getting it piled up and making me a parking lot again. I need one bad. Tired of moving around all my equipment everywhere. So if I get my skid steer back over, I could start moving wood and helping out on that too. So yeah, guys, it's turning out to be pretty good. Turning out, I like it. I like it. I got more room to park my trucks, and yeah. Yeah. More loads coming in, guys. More loads. They piling in here. Hey guys, they're gonna put a driveway around the side of my shop. I've been running out of places to park. Hey guys, if you like the channel, hit the like button and the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.